Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to leave a review on a Facebook page. Let's say I'm going to this Facebook page, so I'll click on that, and then on the top here you'll see different tabs: post, about, mention, reviews, followers, and more. So you need to click on the reviews button, and then in here it will take you to this page. So here it will ask you, do you recommend Ariana Exchange? So you can either say yes or no. So for example, I'd say yes, and then in here it will ask you, what would you like to say about this page? So you can just say, like, a great service, I was able to send money with ease. All right, so and then you will click on post. All right, so here we go. So now here you can see that my review has been posted. So I have great service, I was able to send money with ease. So this is how you would leave a review on a Facebook page. I hope this video was helpful. I know it was quite a short one, but I hope it did help. If it did, the best thing you can do for me is to give this video a like, and that's all I ask you in return. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.